Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar to create a meeting event and invite people the easy way. If you've ever wanted to schedule a call, add a Google Meet link, and send invitations in just a few clicks, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this one. It really helps support the channel and it tells YouTube to share this video with more people. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Google Calendar. You can do this from your browser by going to calendar.google.com, or you can open it through your Google Apps if you're already signed in. Once Google Calendar loads, you'll see your calendar view, and from here you can create a new event. To begin, click the Create button, then choose Event. This opens the event creation window where you can enter all the important details for your meeting. This is where you'll set up the name, time, guests, and video call link. Now enter the event name. Make it clear and easy to understand so everyone knows what the meeting is about. For example, you might type something like team meeting, project update, client call, or weekly review. After that, set the date and time for the event. Be sure to choose the correct day, start time, and end time so there's no confusion later. Once the basic event details are in place, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This is the step that creates the meeting link automatically. Google Calendar will generate a Google Meet link that your guests can use to join the call at the scheduled time. This is one of the biggest benefits of using Google Calendar because it keeps your scheduling and video meeting in one place. Next, click Add Guests and enter the participants' email addresses. You can add one person or multiple people depending on who needs to attend. As you type, make sure the email addresses are correct because Google Calendar will send the invitation directly to those guests. If you're scheduling a team meeting, this is where you can include everyone who needs to be notified. After adding guests, you can move down to the description box. This is where you can add any meeting details that your participants should know before joining. For example, you can include the agenda, notes, discussion topics, links, reminders, or anything else that will help the meeting run smoothly. Adding a clear description is a great way to keep everyone prepared. Once everything looks good, click Save. Google Calendar may ask you if you want to send invitation emails to your guests, and you should click Send to make sure everyone receives the event details and Google Meet link. This is an important step because it officially shares the meeting with your participants. Now, your event is created and your guests are invited. When the scheduled time arrives, simply open the event on your calendar and click Join with Google Meet. That will take you straight into the video meeting so you can start on time without searching for links or emails, and that's it. You've now learned how to use Google Calendar to create an event, add a Google Meet link, invite guests, include meeting details, and join the meeting when it's time. It's a simple process, but once you know it, it can save you a lot of time and make scheduling much easier. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Google Calendar tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.